Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Virgin Media Player on your Fire TV device. This is a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Fire TV device to install this particular application. So please, what you have to do in this video is make sure to watch this right up to the end, as I'll do my best to show everything you need to do. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get started. So here's my Fire TV, and as I say, this is a full guide video, meaning I will show you everything that you need to do on your Fire TV from scratch to install the Virgin Media Player. So the very first thing you need to do on your FireStick device is, now let me just say, on your FireStick device, if you go over to your App Store and search for the application, you wouldn't see it. So the very first thing we need to do is to install the downloader application, because that is what we are going to use to install this media player to our FireStick device. So to install downloader is simple. Just go over to the search and search the application, and you're going to get downloader over here. And all you've got to do after getting downloader is just to download it or install it to your FireStick device, which is very simple. So here's the application downloading to our FireStick device. Once it's done downloading, it will immediately install, and then we can go ahead and use downloader, and I'll show you how to use it. Now downloader is installed. Please don't open it straight away. There is something very important that we need to do before we open the downloader application. Now, on your FireStick device, by default, your FireStick device will not allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So you need to make sure that, or you need to turn on that feature on your FireStick device that is going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources, and that is what we have to do now. So to turn on that feature, all you have to do is to go over to your settings. So here's my settings over here, and you come over to a setting that says my Fire TV. Please, this step is very important. If you don't set this step up, then you wouldn't be able to use downloader to install any application from any unknown source. So this is very important. So as you go over to this page over here, there is this option that says developer options. This is what we are interested in. On your FireStick device, if you see the developer options, then you are good to go. But if you don't see this, let me show you how to make this to appear. It's simple. Go over to the option that says about, click on it, and on the name of your FireStick, mine is my Fire TV Stick 4K. On the name of yours, you need to click the OK button 5 times or 4 times until you see a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then the developer option has appeared, and all you need to do is to go over here, launch it, and on the option that says add from unknown sources, you need to make sure that it is turned on. Please, this is very important. You need to make sure this option is turned on. Now once it's turned on, now they can go ahead and install applications from unknown sources, including the download application. So please turn this on, and they can go ahead and close this. Once you close this, we've done 2 important steps. We've installed the download application, and we've turned on installation from unknown sources. Before we get to installing this application, I just want to say something. Please, Amazon recently released a new Fire TV version called the Fire TV Select, and on that version, it is limited. The applications you can sideload is limited. So if you are using that new version of Amazon Fire Stick, then please, some of these videos like this might not work for you. Not because the video is not good, but because your Fire Stick device doesn't allow you to sideload applications. But if you are using the old Android versions or the old FireStick device with the Android operating system, then yeah, you can go ahead and sideload applications just as I am currently showing you. So I just thought of sharing that before we continue. So now let's continue. What you have to do here now is to go over to the download application. Here's it over here, and all you have to do is just to go ahead and launch it. Once you launch the downloader for your very first time, this is exactly what you are going to see. Now here, what you need to do is to type in this code. Download works by you typing in codes. So you type in the right code for the right application, and it's just going to go straight away to downloading the application to your Fire Stick. So type in this code 1286862. This is a very important code. Please make sure you type it exactly as I have here, 1286862. Once you type in the code, all you have to do is just click on go or launch, and this is going to start downloading the media player immediately to our FireStick device. So here's it over here. Just go to the download right now. Just give it a second. Now here's the application. It's going to start downloading. So this is going to take a couple of seconds. While it's downloading, I just want to recommend you on FireStick TV device, while browsing, it's very important for you to use a VPN, because a VPN is secure, it keeps you secure on the internet, and also helps you unlock certain locations. So please, in the description of this video, I've added a VPN that I'll recommend you to use while browsing on your FireStick device. So check it out and subscribe if you are able. So here's the application. It's going to download. Once it's done downloading, then we can install to our FireStick device. So here's it over here. Now all you have to do is just click install, and it's going to install to our FireStick TV device, Virgin Media Player. So that's the application. Just give it a second to completely install, and I'll show you what next to do after installing the application to your FireStick device. Please make sure you are using a VPN. Check the description of this video. There is a VPN recommendation that I've set. Check it out, and if you love it, please subscribe. It is very important for you to use a VPN. Once the application has installed, you can go ahead now and click done. Please delete the app file from your FireStick device, since FireStick doesn't have a lot of space. Now click home, and then you can return. Ladies and gentlemen, we've downloaded and we've installed the Virgin Media Player. So now what you have to do is to return or close this. If you close this and cover here, here's the application over here that we've downloaded and installed. Now you can go ahead and launch the application, and this is how it should look like on your FireStick device, Virgin Media Player. Now this is a media player that's going to allow you to play local files and also play online streaming files. So this is just a media player. It doesn't have content, it doesn't broadcast content, it doesn't share content. You have to have your own content to be able to view on through this media player. You need content. It can be local content that is found in your FireStick device, like videos, movies, music, and so on. Or it can be streamed content where you have to add in the link to the stream to this media player, and then you can go ahead and use it on your FireStick device. So this is the Virgin Media Player. And if you have any questions so far, please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want me to create a video for you on a particular topic, just let me know in the comment section. And also, lastly, that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, if you want to learn how to install more applications like this, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.